Oh yeah, welcome back to Beardchanics garage, guys. It is time to put more power into the S3. Yes, so as you can see around me and by the thumbnail, I've already ordered a bunch of parts. So here we have the racing line oil system, remove the plasticky PCV valve with a catch can, because you didn't have one. All system, because we are going to go stage 3, more power, and then all management and all temperature can become an issue. So basically this kit add an extra radiator to cool it down some more, and a couple of accessories for it, which is basically a remote refill kit and what's that again? Washer refill kit and yeah, oil management drain kit, that is the one. So at least, with more power, we want to make sure it stays nice and cool. On this side, we've got turbo blanket. The turbo is not here yet, but I will tell you about that in a minute. Some APR cold pack. Also, I might get some RS3 after being suggested by Woza. I'll put a link in the description. Mega shout out to him. He will actually do some of the install, so you should see him on some upcoming episode of when we actually install and put all the mod on the turbo and all that jazz. But yeah, really great advice for him, and that's why, as like you've seen on the title, we will push for more than 550. I reckon normally with the setup we have, we should be able to get 560, 570 and still be safe. And we will still be safe at that level because of the little meth kit, which should basically allow us to kind of like go slightly above and keep it nice and cool and keep the engine safe. But that will be the limit until we basically get it forged. So the turbo went for a Venom 550, which again recommended by Woza. He's got experience with it, and they're pretty good. With that, like I said, we should be able to push 560, 570 currently, but once forged, we should be able to go past the 600 mark. So it is a good turbo to kind of future-proof to where we want to go. My original goal was, because I really love rallycross, to basically have a 4-cylinder 600 brake horsepower car. After, if you go above, nobody is going to complain either. But yeah, so that is the turbo we are going to go. I will put a link in the links in the description to all of those items in case it's a mod you want to do, or if you just want to check out the details of each item in case you want to do it. And then the last bit I need to get is basically low pressure and high pressure fuel pump upgrade, some new bigger injector, and an external fuel controller or regulator, something like that. Because basically, again, thank you Woza, if you go above 540, the stock fuel pump controller can overheat and malfunction, so that's why it's best to install an external one. So as I'm going to want to push even further, might as well just put it now, and that basically allows us to be able to go to 560, 570 instead of being to go more like 520, 530. So little gain, but future proof. And really exciting. The turbo is already ordered. I just need to place the order for all the few bits and bobs and then plan it out, but like very, very close, guy. And we had a little survey. You guys, most of you at least, one person said no, said we should name our project. The MX5 is obviously PG Strumpf, because it's blue and all of that, so this one we actually named. The S3 doesn't have a name, so if you have any suggestion, put a link in the description, and then we will have a vote based on the one, we will discard the one we really, don't like and stuff like that, or, we organize. I'll set up maybe a pool or something and you guys can vote, or, but basically we end up with a giveaway and maybe, can with a hoodie or a hoodie on a t-shirt or something like that. But yeah, basically really open to suggestion. I never really thought about it, you know. Even the 666, you know, I ended up just like that because it's an S car. And then NMM is because online I'm actually known as nihilistic madman, but most people refer to me as NMM. So I was more after an NMM registration, you know, number. But yeah, you know, the number of the beast is 616, not 666. But you know, everybody think it's 666, so you put 666 and everybody think it's cool. So you know, if you want to do like something around the number as a spiritual, feel free, or you know, go check out our playlist if you haven't watched everything and get a feel for like, you know, I don't know, maybe the, you know, the essence or you know the personality of the car. I don't know, some stuff like that. Anyway, give us your opinion. You know, feel free to not just have one option. You know, feel free to put a few. But anyway, I wanted to keep this one short, guys. Plenty of mods are coming. We'll obviously do episode about all of those mods, so that if you want to do the same to your car, you can, you know how to do it basically. And yeah, if it's your first video, go check out the Audi S3 playlist and actually find out more about it. You know, we are people with limited budget, so it is a slow going project, but you know, we do make interesting progress, sorry, every year. And yeah, it's getting there, it's getting there. Body kit and custom one and stuff should happen this year as well, so yeah, exciting year for the S3 it's going to be. Anyway guys, see you in the next one.